Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 8th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla closed down $8.12 today. So we closed at 783.49. Post market, we are down 54 cents. Yeah, let me just adjust this thing here. I just did the resistance line, the hourly chart that we are going to take a look in a few minutes. The pattern that is really happening right now, it's getting clearer and clearer, is this ascending triangle. So we really have this ascending triangle. So today we have a red candle and we went back and touched the same support that is right here. So if we draw a line from here to here, we are touching it a third time. And we are still under 799, 800, blah, blah, blah. The theory is that the stock is going to shoot up at some point. So Tesla is really strong in terms of the channel that the Tesla has been in. So Tesla has been in a bullish channel since the month of May, basically. So month of May was a low. And then the stock has been going up and down in the channel, going up and down, blah, 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 inching up a little bit at a time. And we also can see that now we are not even staying in the bottom part of the channel right here. So we are even inching up. So this is some strength here. So see, we are inching up this way. I'm just going to put that here as a support. So we have one here. We have a smaller one here, but we also have one here. It's not perfectly done because some candles are going outside a little bit. So let me maybe do it like this. Oh yeah. Look at this. This fits well. So I fit it here and it fits pretty much right on this one. I'm just going to keep the big one here. Look at this. So this is what is happening. The stock should be going up. Short term, crossing 800. Longer term, it's not impossible that we go and break this upper channel here and go even faster towards the all-time high. Let's go see the 1 hour chart just to understand what happened during this hour. So where's 9:30? So 9:30 was right here. So we opened up pretty much close a little bit higher to where we closed yesterday. And then we went straight down very fast, close to the support. Second hour also close to support. Third hour, oh, I like this. Perfectly on the support. Then sideways trying to get up. Try to get higher than and was stopped right here and went straight down. So this allowed me to do this new resistance on the hourly chart. Let's go to the daily chart. So let's look at our indicators too. 678. So still pretty good, even though we had this green candle today. RSI, anything else I need to say here? No, not really. The two tops here are pretty much even. So that's pretty much, it represents pretty much what is happening here. MACD crossed over bullish. So I need to do this, but it does not necessarily mean that things are going to go super bad. It just crossed down bullish because things are being choppy right here. So MACD is going up and down and crossing over every which way. And DMI is still very healthy. Very healthy. TradingView has adjusted the fact that the earnings call is going to be on October 20th, so very soon. And very soon. But Tesla is doing just great. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of this channel. We have a TradingView affiliate link. You can go take a walk outside this weekend. It's going to be very nice with all the nice leaves that are turning red on the eastern coast, at least. So I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday. If you are a member, then I'm going to do the weekly and monthly chart analysis for Tesla and Palantir so that we can look at the longer time frame than on the daily chart. If you are a member, if you are on the web at the same time as I do these videos, then you can join me and we can have a little chat. So have a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.